It's one of the prettiest little blue birds I've ever seen. And it just flew out of, I think, a nest up in there. It is so pretty. Oh, there it is. And its mate. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's the female and the male. Oh, they're just so cute. Bluebird. Okay, not your turn, Rooster. It's the bluebird's turn. He's so pretty. He's so cute. That is so cool. And they have a nest right there, so that's awesome. Pretty blue. Pretty blue. That's so cute. It's a pair. Oh, the mama and the daddy, huh? I bet you they are gonna have baby birdies. Wow. Is he puffing up? That's funny. That's cute. When he took off, it was like bright blue. He's so cute. Female's super cute too.